Hello all traders, today is Tuesday 25th of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and Bitcoin futures and CFDs. If you look at the macro chart of 1 hour, we see that the price on all E-minis was fluctuating around the previous day low and close. During the Asian session and during the London session, it started to go down and then it got recovered and retested this level pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening and a news release, the price started to go down sharply and finally found a support, and the buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and the price find a support, and when the buyers come back, we take long position in a well-established uptrend, and that's what happened. And when I came back later around 10:30, the price already tested this level and got rejected. So this wave of uptrend here that you see was taken with setup C on Nasdaq and also on S&P 500, which was closed in the upper area of the channel with profit. And for the Bitcoin micro contracts, my stop loss was tight. So when I opened the position here, it was closed with a small loss. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And you see the performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 33, which is coming from 70% win rate, 86% from 9 long position and 1 sell short position that I took later on with 100% win rate. And also the average win to loss ratio, which was high around 14. The largest winning trade was $370 and the largest losing trade was $16. So that was the summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades that I have taken since yesterday. I had one position that I was testing on Solano and it was end of the market, so I set the stop loss and target, and the market dropped overnight and it was closed with a stop loss here. As you see, these are the trades that I have taken during the New York market session today. And from the cryptocurrencies, I only trade Bitcoin now because Solano, BNB and XRP had a wider spreads, but Bitcoin had good move and correlation with E-minis. So as you see, I traded Bitcoin, Nasdaq, Dow Jones today, and this shows profit and loss. And most of these were closed with profit. We had one a small loss on Dow Jones, and this position I didn't notice which was open, and it was perhaps a limit order that I missed to see, and it was closed with a small loss. So with this swing trade and test of cryptocurrency to found that the Bitcoin is the best for scalping and also trading these E-minis, the total balance of the account is now $89.78 with the profit factor of 3.24. And this shows that from the 194 trades taken so far, we had 158 winners, resulted in 81.44% win rate. And this shows the equity curve of the account in the second stage of the challenge that is growing consistently. And this shows the percentage of the drawdown that was kept below 0.5%, 10 times less than the daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm in order to pass the second stage of the challenge and get the funded account. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping for the futures prop firm accounts, and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.